Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will show you how to block someone from commenting on TikTok. So let's dive right in. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now, look for the three dots or ellipsis icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. This will open up a menu of additional options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Privacy Settings page. And then tap on the Privacy button. Scroll down until you find the Comments option and tap on it. Here, you have two options, Friends or No One. If you only want your friends to comment on your videos, select Friends. If you want to prevent anyone from commenting, select No One. Once you've made your selection, simply exit out of the settings and you're all set. Anyone who is blocked from commenting will no longer be able to leave comments on your videos. And there you have it. Blocking someone from commenting on your TikTok videos is a breeze. Remember, maintaining a positive and enjoyable experience on TikTok is important, so don't hesitate to use the block feature if needed. Thanks for watching and happy TikToking!